Oh yeah. All right, turkey in a aroma roaster oven. Turkey is all seasoned. I'm not going to put stuffing in it. This time I'm going to cook the stuffing separately. All right. See you in a little bit. And 325. Got it all seasoned. It just started getting hot. Let's see how it's coming along. Oh yeah. These turkey roasters are self-basting, so yep, nice and moist. I'll baste it manually here pretty soon. Alright, I think it's done. Oh yeah, it's done. Indicator's up too. Nice and juicy. Juicy turkey. Yeah. Got my stuffing in there. Bunch of giblets and some mushrooms and a little bit of onion. Yum, yum. Let's eat. Main course first. And some Cheesecake Factory Brown Bread. These are awesome. Yummy. All right, now it's time for some pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. Nice and juicy. Juicy turkey. Yeah.